Welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. Welcome. Today I have a special video. So today I am collaborating with Mint and Lily. Shout outs to you, Mint and Lily. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. And I'm here to review their jewelry. And if you know, you know, and if you don't, you don't. I will link everything you need to know down below. So if you guys would like to see the beautiful pieces that I picked out, then just keep on watching. So it came in this box right here, a little ASMR for you guys. Let's open it up. I mean, I'm here for the packaging, y'all. Mint and Lily, and then it comes with these two little sacks because I got two individual pieces. This is a packaging. I mean, these are super cute. Let's just get right into it, yo. Super cute. I'm here for the packaging. You guys know I am a sucker for packaging. And it comes with a little cleaner. You guys, look at this! Super cute! I actually never had a name plate necklace before. You guys, I'm so excited. Let's try it on. Let's put it on. You guys, look, it's so beautiful. It's nice and gold. I can already tell it's really good quality. Yo, this is so pretty. I'm excited. I just want to shout out Mint and Lily for giving me this opportunity and collaborating with me. I am so here for it. The detail on this, you guys see this? The detail, it's nice and gold and it's a long chain. Like, hello. I'm gonna put it on and I will be right back. The struggle is real when you have nails, okay? Sheesh! Okay, I'm here for it. Look it! Let me zoom in. See that? It looks so good with a black shirt, a black top. I think it's super pretty. Let me zoom in here. Look at that. So cute. Okay, Araceli. Thank you, Mint and Lily. Shout out to you guys. It's such good quality. I think it would look so good with anything black that you wear because gold just stands out and I love gold. Like, I've been into gold for quite some time now. So please go get your hands on one of these. Anytime you spend $65 or more, you get free shipping, which is a great deal and it's great quality. The chain is super lightweight. It's not super heavy, but the actual plate itself is kind of on the thick side, which is a good thing. I actually really like it. But let's go ahead and look at the second piece that I chose. I mean, the packaging already is super cute. Ooh-wee. Ooh, and it's magnetic. Let's look at the deets, at the details. First off, there's like clear little sticker on it. Let me remove that. We don't need that. We don't want that. Let me take the other one out. All right, that was satisfying. Super shiny. This is how thick it is. I swear that ice machine is disrespectful right now. So this is the bracelet. Look at the detail on this. It's super thick. It's super shiny. It's nice and gold. And then check this out, you guys. It's magnetic. Super easy. You don't have to worry about struggling trying to have someone help you put it on. Like, you can do it by yourself. So let's let's just stack it up with what I got already on my, yo, it just clamped so well. Look at that. Sheesh. Look, you guys, I'm here for it. I am here for it. Let's go. So pretty. Or even you can stack it like this, or you can have it by itself. Take your pick, ladies. Shout out to Mint and Lily for providing with my followers, my subscribers, with a 20% off discount code on your purchases. Let's fucking go. I am so excited. Thank you so much. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. I am so grateful. I am so blessed. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for my subscribers and my followers and my viewers using Celi20. CELI 20. I will link everything down below in the description box. Make sure if you spend $65 or more, you get free shipping. And not only free shipping, you guys get an extra 20% off on your pieces. So make sure to use Celi20. Their jewelry is super good quality. Make sure you go get your hands on one of these with their name on it, your daughters, your husband, your wife, your grandma, whoever. Such a great Christmas gift because the holidays are here. They're coming right now. Go get yours. Run. Do not walk. Run. Also, don't forget, if you spend $65 or more, you get free shipping. And on top of that, you get to use my discount code Celi20 at checkout for 20% off your purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching my ASMR unboxing review collaboration. Talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.